In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the GeForce Experience 0x0003 error code. Now the first thing we want to try is come here and search for services and open up services. Click anywhere and press N till we get to the NVIDIA. You should have 3 of them here, and what you want to do is you want to open up, make sure it's on automatic, and make sure it says running. Now you want to make sure all of them are like this. So automatic and running, apply OK, automatic and running. Then what you want to do is you want to right click, restart, and you want to do this on all 3. Once you've restarted all 3, you want to double click, log on, allow service to interact with desktop, and you want to do this for all of them. So just do this right here. And then what you can do is you can close this one down. Now we want to check if it works. If it's still not working, what we want to do is we want to try and allow it through our firewall. So search for firewall, come here, allow an app, change settings, allow another app, and then what we want to do is search for GeForce Experience. Now I have the updated app, which is called NVIDIA App, but what you want to do is just search for GeForce Experience, right click, open file location, and then right click again and open file location until you get to the .exe file. Then click up here, Control C, come back here and press browse, click up here and Control V, press enter and select the .exe. Press open and add it, and then it should be right here. Then you want to make sure that all 3 of these are ticked, and then you can close it down. Another thing you can try is you can come down here and search for device manager, then head over to display adapters, right click on your graphics card and go to settings, the properties, head over to driver and try and roll back your driver if you have the option to do this. If you don't have the option, you can look at your driver date right here and then go to Google and search for your graphics card and search for driver and then download a driver that's older than this one. So try and downgrade your driver to an older version, and that might also help fix the issue. Now I really hope this video fixed it. Now if it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.